I suppose.
Okay, okay. Nah. You're gonna turn on the the intro song? Oh, you want me to do that? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, hang on. Um. Hey everybody, welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. I'm the creator of the show and rockstar cartoonist. Over here we have NANABOOZHOO, Ikadon BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Okay, BOOZHOO, Gakina Aoya. Hello, everybody. And over here we have the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Natasha.
BOOZHOO Gakina Awiya. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the show.
Now, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. So formal. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO Gakina Aoya. Hello, welcome back to our little podcast. Our little podcast in the middle of the woods. Our little podcast up in the middle of nowhere. Deep in the heart of nowhere.
John Redcorn's here.
Oh, really? Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, John. Welcome back to the show. What's going on today, sweetie?
I don't know. I think our title's called something like Love and Wisdom in Ojibwe. Something or other.
Oh, yeah, I got all fancy. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Nabwakawin. Dush zaga idiwin. Wisdom in love. And love. In traditional Anishinaabe storytelling culture.
Is that what we called it?
I don't even remember. I'm running out of ideas to what to call these things. Because it doesn't even matter. Hey, Nabwakawin, wisdom. Today, I thought we could talk a little bit about the sacred wisdom keepers of our ancestors.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. I just love Zagih. Gizaga. Or Ninzaga. How do you say that? Nabwakawin Zaganin.
Zaganin. Wisdom you love?
Yeah, I love wisdom. Hey, here's a cartoon by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist.
What's that?
This comes from the Gibberish book. And check that out. Gizaga'een. I love you. I love you, sweetie.
Gizaga'een, weenie mushane. I love you. Gizaga'een, minaway. I love you also.
Gizaga'een. So, zaga. You can see that zaga in the middle of gizaga'een. Gi means you. Zaga-i. Zagih. Zagih means love. Like you love, and then in would be me. Ojibwe is kind of speak like what's his name from Star Wars?
From the Star Wars? Obi-Wan?
Obi-Wan Kenobi? No, that little green guy.
Oh, Baby Yoda?
Baby Yoda. Love you, I must. But Nabwakawin and Zaga Idiwin. They're two sides of the same coin, huh, sweetie?
What do you mean?
Well, you can't have wisdom without love.
You can't?
I don't know, maybe you can. You can't have love without wisdom.
Why not?
I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know, sweetie. I just kind of figured we should get on get on our live stream and say hello to the crew. Bonjour, crew. Bonjour, crew.
Bonjour, gakina awia.
What's going on in current events?
I think they found, what's his face, not guilty of murder.
Oh, Alec Baldwin?
Yeah, Alec Baldwin.
Really? They let him go?
Yep, not guilty.
We got him on film shooting a girl dead in cold blood.
Yep, that's legal.
Oh. Well, congratulations, Alec Baldwin. Let's just hope he doesn't kill again. Okay, so Alec Baldwin's a free man. What else is going on?
Let's see. War in the Ukraine.
War in the Ukraine, what is it good for?
Absolutely nothing.
Say it again.
War. Who? Good God, you're.
What is it good for?
Absolutely.
Nothing. Ogichida is a warrior.
Yeah, huh?
Does that mean a war is an ogich?
I don't know what a war is.
It's a derivative of ogichida. Must be ogich. Gitchy. Oh, great. Hey, is Gitchy in the middle of ogichida?
Yeah, because warriors are so great.
Huh. I never thought of that. You know who's a real warrior?
Who's that?
Jim Dunn.
No way! Is Jim here?
Yep, he sure is. Bonjour, Jim. What's going on? Bonjour, ni Anishinaabe. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabes. Today, it's time to discuss this very important issue.
What's that?
Did you know that Tuesdays? What day is it?
It's Saturday. It's the floor washing day.
Yeah, thank you for saying that. Today is Saturday. And so I'd like to give a discussion on traditional cultural values, traditional life ways of the Anishinaabe.
We were hunter-gatherers.
Hunter-gatherers. I'm going to hunt and gather knowledge and wisdom and love.
Are you a love hunter?
Yeah, I'm a love hunter. But today is in traditional Anishinaabe cultural ways. It is the sacred day of floor washing. You know,
That's what they say.
Gazibigi saginagay geeja good. Gazibigi saginagay geeja good. Floor washing day or Saturday. Now, this cultural traditional practice of washing your floors on Saturdays only goes back so far.
What do you mean?
Well, it doesn't go back to the days of the grandfathers. It actually goes back to the days of the boarding schools.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Before boarding schools, Indians didn't have floors. They had dirt floors. You wouldn't wash a dirt floor.
Oh, when they lived in wigwams?
Yeah. Back in the days of wigwam living, you would hardly wash your wigwam floor because what? You just get mud. So, oh yeah, let's bring in some. Oh, here comes Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean?
Yeah. Mr. Clean comes from a time when being bald-headed and having your underwear shirt rolled up and a single gold earring in your right ear didn't mean you were necessarily gay.
You think Mr. Clean is gay?
He doesn't look straight to me. And what's his deal?
I think he's a pirate.
You think Mr. Clean's a pirate?
Well, he's got that earring.
Yeah, I think he's a pirate. I don't know. These kids don't even know who we're talking. Mr. Clean, look it up.
Hey, sweetie,
Yeah?
you got a call on line 2.
Oh, you're kidding. Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hello, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, David Bowie.
Hey, Bowie. Sweetie, it's David Bowie.
Well, hi, David Bowie. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing quite well indeed. Yeah. Now, did you die or did you fake that? I did both. What do you mean? Well, I faked my death, and then as luck would have it, I died immediately afterwards. Oh, really? Yes, I had cancer, as you know. Yeah, David Bowie had cancer, they said. Yeah. But then I faked my death, and I put on a mask and went on the news and talked about my career, and it was quite a lot of fun. Yeah, that's kind of crappy to lie about dying. Well, I thought it'd be my last farewell as an artist. Yeah, that's stupid. But then I had a heart attack and died anyway. And so now I'm up here in heaven. Look at me. I'm in heaven. Okay. What's it like living in heaven? Oh, it's quite nice. I get to have tea with the Queen of England, Elizabeth. Oh, yeah, she calls in once in a while. Yes, I know. I was with her the other day when she called. How's she doing? Oh, she's quite lovely. Queen Elizabeth. Yes, also hello, David Bowie. Yes, would you like to say hello to NanaBOOZHOO? Oh, NanaBOOZHOO, he's got that program about the Ojibwe language. Hello, Queen. Hello. I'm having a bit of tea with the Queen, and we were wondering, what is the Ojibwe word for tea? Well, our word for tea is anibish. But you guys drink hot tea in the morning, so you probably call it anibishabu. Anibishabu, that's right. I knew I'd heard it, but I just couldn't remember. Anibishabu. Yeah, anibishabu. Anything hot or sipping water is like abu, wabu, mukere mashkiki wabu. I'm having some coffee. Oh, yes, I do quite like coffee as well. Yeah, you drink coffee and tea? Yes, I know I grew up in England then, and so I drank quite a lot of tea. But when I moved to America, I started to drink coffee, and I enjoy a spot of coffee as much as the next fellow, I suppose. Yeah. So, sweetie, you got any questions for the Thin White Duke? Do I have any questions? Yeah. So David. Yes, Natasha. What can I do for you? What is your favorite song that you ever recorded? Oh, dear me, it's so hard to answer that. All of my songs were like my own children. Okay, well, who was your favorite child? Well, it wasn't Moon, I tell you that much. Moon? Or no, what was his name? You mean DeWeasel? No, you guys are thinking of Frank Zappa. He had a son named Zoe. Oh, that's right. Not Zoe. You don't love Zoe? No, I love my daughter, quite a bit more. I had a son from Angela, I believe. Yeah, Angie was your first wife. Yes, and she had a rather large-faced boy named Zoe, who then went on to call himself Joey. Yeah. Didn't he make a movie? Yes, indeed he made a movie called Moon. That's what I was thinking of. Oh yeah. But you prefer your little daughter? Yes, what is her name? I can't quite remember. Do you remember David Bowie's daughter's name? She had a pretty name. But yeah, that was the daughter he had with Iman. Iman can have a baby? I think so. I thought Iman was a dude. Oh, no. Iman is my lovely wife, the 6'1" woman, as it were, from Somalia, I believe. Yeah, Iman. She was a Somalian model. I guess she was married to a pro basketball player before Bowie. Is that right? Yep. Oh, well. So he's got his mic turned off again? What are you talking about, Jim? Can't these guys hear me? John Redcorn says, I can hear. Listen, David, well, I got to get going. Is there anything I can do for you? How does one say goodbye in Ojibwe? In Ojibwe, we say, Gigawabamin Minowa. Gigawabamin Minowa. Well, Gigawabamin Minowa. See you later, Bowie. Jim saying, I can hear you now. For some reason, I wasn't able to hear you at first. And he naturally assumes it's our fault. It's called having wax in your ears, Jim. Take a Q-tip and you gotta get in there until it hurts. So, what else, sweetie? Well, Michael and I have a song. You do? What's it called? It's called Will I Ever See You Again? All right. Here's a song by Michael Lyons and Natasha called Will I Ever See You Again? Miigwech Gabizandawieg. Thank you for listening. BOOZHOO, and welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and today we'll play a song called... I was just going to do a Ojibwe song this morning, but I don't know if I'm feeling it. You're not feeling it? La 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 la. I remember one day, you and me in the pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in, but I remember your ways. You and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Ooh, na 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 na. Ooh, la 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 la. And I remember one night, and the casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him, but I remember your ways. Ooh, you and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I hope I never see you again. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. No. Whoops. Let me try that again. Oh, here I am. Excuse me. There's a lot of stuff that goes backstage between
during the song you're probably not aware of. And well, I don't want to ruin the illusion. So it's winter again. We had one day of spring. It got up to be about 50 degrees. The sun was out. All the snow went away. We were outside raking leaves and taking in the sun. People were walking down the street. The birds were out. I saw a robin. Then the government turned on the chemtrail weather technology and turned winter back on, and here we are. It's the end of April, and it might as well be early December. Because it's not just that we got hit with another big storm and snow, it's also cold again. Brr, gisana, I'm cold. Brr, ningikaj, I'm cold. Gisana, it is cold. Those should be the Ojibwe words of the day. Ningikaj, brr, I am cold. Well, I'm cold-blooded, check it and see. I got a fever of 103. Come on, baby, do you do more than dance? I'm hot-blooded, hot-blooded, I'm hot. BOOZHOO, get your money do. Hello, great spirit. I mean, AJAN, how are you? How's my Father who art in heaven? Nusana wakwing abian. I need AJAN, Nusana wakwing abian. How are you, Father who art in heaven? Apikish, kitchitwa wandamig, get a newsowin, and endaman. May your name be hallowed. No, wait, I'm sorry. Let me start over. Nusana wakwing abian. Our Father who art in heaven. Apikish, kitchitwa wandamig, get a newsowin, and endaman. May your name be hallowed. Apikish, be dagwishanu magak, gidu gi mawi win and. May your name be hallowed. May your kingdom come. Apikish ijiwe bak, dibishku akwing, miku. May your will be done. Gaye aking, on earth. Gaye ishpaming, as it is in heaven. Magishanang nuko agishakak, nempakwe shiganimana, minik iyoyang. Give us today our daily bread. Bunikade tawishanang, kaye, kaiji nishkahi nangi. Forgive us for our offenses against you, just like we forgive others. Gego gaye, iji wish ishi kange, gagwe di bidding gay winning. Do not lead us into temptation. Dash in inama wishanang mayanadak. And keep us from what is evil. Evil! Keep us from what is evil. Mayanadak. Ape and gay. Amen. Ape. Motapanan niwi asema iksamay tobacco. The Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe. I should turn that into a song. We'll get Michael to play the acoustic guitar and I can sing it. Nusanawak wing abian. I'll start a whole new kind of music. First there was folk rock. And then there was Christian rock. Then there was Ojibwe powwow music. Now there's Ojibwe biblical singing from Natasha. Ho going. BOOZHOO, Diane. What's going on? My sister from another mister. Diane's my sister from another mister. She's not really my blood sister, but she's like my sister, you know, like in the Indian way. Sometimes in the Indian way, you have a friend. Actually, everybody kind of throws around, yeah, he's my brother, he's my cousin. She's my sister. People don't like to admit it, but we took a lot from the civil rights movement, from the black dudes. You know, those guys are always calling each other brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters! I have a dream! One day, all my brothers and sisters, I got a dream that I won't get shot. No. Too soon? Too soon to make Martin Luther King jokes? I mean, how many of us still remember Dr. Reverend Martin Luther King Jr.? The man with the longest name. I think it was the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. who said the immortal phrase, "Ouch, I've been shot!" Nah. Remember Lincoln? Lincoln's immortal words? I need to sit through another play like I need a hole in the head. No. How about before John F. Kennedy died? And Jackie Onassis said, "You should put up your hood. You're gonna freeze the back of your head off." You don't want to get your death of the back of your head blowing off in the wind. When's the last time you looked at the Zapruder film? You know, just for old time's sake. Look back at what they said was the real footage of John F. Kennedy getting shot, getting killed. Looks pretty fake. You know, there's a lot of kind of, wait, did her hand just go through his head? Looks kind of CGI'd. That's all I'm saying. I mean, it's better than the moon landing video, but it made me kind of go, what? Is this fake too? How come Jimmy Carter looks so much like a Kennedy? What's going on there? Anyway, I better go back in. It's time, I should be going. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come in?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
Okay, hang on. That's one to teleport.
Make it so, number one.
Okay. Whoops. Let me try that again.
Ugh. What happened?
You didn't come in the first time.
Oh, no. Our teleporter is getting old and kind of touchy.
Yeah. It's probably not safe.
I know, but I'm not going to walk all the way around and outside just to do that little prayer. I got to get out there fast and get back in. Keep our show fresh.
Yeah.
Speaking of keeping our show fresh, Michael, you think you could do something about the you know, do you want to do the thing?
What do you mean?
You know.
Hey, everybody. If you'd like to support the show, please check the links in the description box. I have books for sale on Amazon.com. And we also have a Teespring account. We sell, coffee cups and t-shirts and leggings. And if you'd like to support the show financially, please leave us a tip at our GoFundMe page. We're trying to raise $8,000. Or you can leave a tip at, what's the other one called? We've got a Patreon page. Oh yeah, Patreon. You can help us a little bit every month on Patreon.
And we also have a PayPal account. If you just want to leave us a few bucks for a cup of coffee or something, you could click the link to PayPal, huh?
Yeah, that's right. Like, share, and subscribe. All right. Back to you, Natasha.
Okay. Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by. Miigwech bisandawieg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech ganawabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This over here, the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. This over here, the one and only NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa.